Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening YouTube and signing in. Make sure it's the exact account you want to clear. Tap your profile icon, then choose Manage Your Google account. Once there, navigate to Data and Privacy or directly to YouTube History Controls. These steps give you the controls that actually store searches. Don't skip signing in, otherwise you'll clear the wrong history. Next, stay on the Privacy page so you can locate YouTube history and the options to view or delete entries. Once on the YouTube history page, you can remove specific searches or clear everything. Use the search box or filters to find a single query, then click the 3 dots next to an item and choose Delete. For bulk removal, pick Delete Activity By, set the time frame such as all time or custom range, and confirm. This removes records from your account history, so they no longer influence recommendations. Make sure you review what you're deleting. Once confirmed, the action is immediate for that account. Finish by pausing future recording. Enable pause on the YouTube search history toggle so new searches aren't saved. Then sign out and test in a private window to confirm previous deletions took effect and recommendations updated. If deleted items reappear, clear your browser cache. Check that you deleted on the correct Google account and ensure device sync is up to date. Then repeat the delete steps. If problems persist, sign out everywhere and sign back in. This often forces the cloud to refresh and resolve stuck entries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.